Hi, Tech Coach Gina here, and today I'm going to show you how to exclude certain contacts from a ConvertKit broadcast. So here I'm going to go to techdoneforyou.com/ConvertKit, which is my affiliate link. And I'm using the free version of ConvertKit, but it's pretty powerful for even a free version. So I'm going to log in and put in my access details. Let's go to login. Now sometimes it will want you to authenticate if you're on a computer that it doesn't recognize, or perhaps you cleared your browser history or cache. So I'm going to check my email. This is the authentication email, and it will have the approximate location, which is not exactly correct, but that's all right. Let's say trust this device. And so now we're in. Let's go to send. Broadcasts are one-time emails. Sequences are a series of emails. You can use an email template if you want, and I don't tend to use snippets. But let's go to broadcasts, and I'm going to click on new broadcast. And you can split test titles, so A/B testing is another word for split testing, and you can put in the title of your or the subject line of your broadcast right here. So here's the first subject line, and then I'm going to use a second subject line right here. And I'm going to use my template and start typing in here. So I like to personalize this. So if you click on the plus, you have all of these things that you can add in: dividers, countdown timers, etc. So I'm going to go to the first name. I don't normally populate anything else, but the first name is something I frequently use. So I'm just going to hit enter and put in my text. And I have some swipe copy, but I always like to customize it. So I'm just going to put in my swipe copy right here. Control C is copy, Control V is paste. You can see the shortcuts right here. I use all of these very often. Control X is cut, Control C, copy, Control V is paste. And Control Shift V is plain text. So let's, I don't know if it copied all the way. So let me make sure I've got it. Control V. All right, so when I am pasting, sometimes it adds extra spaces, and so I like to clean that up. Just hitting the backspace. And because I am promoting Christina Hill's website creation workshop, I have a little bit of swipe copy. And swipe copy is simply, if you're not familiar with promoting JV partners, it is copy that your JV partner gives to you, and then you can go ahead and customize it and mail to your list. And I am promoting the website creation workshop because, well, I'm Christina's friend, and also I have seen great results from her students. I've been the tech coach in her student groups for over 4 years now. And I always like to customize things. Now this is very important. If you have an affiliate link, you need to make sure that you get the right link in here. So I'm just going to check my email and look for that link. A good JV partner will send you the link directly to your email rather than making you log into their affiliate platform and hunt for their link themselves. It's a little bit more work than you would typically expect from a JV partner to find their links themselves. And then some people hire a JV manager. So if people can't find their links, the JV manager can be contacted and supply the links to your JV partners. So let me go ahead and put this in. Now, it looks like ConvertKit is linking from the swipe copy document that I used, and that's not really what I want. So, okay, so here are my bonuses. Let me just put my bonuses, and I'm going to put in a list. So let's go to the plus, and we're going to go for a numbered list. So I'm going to say 3 live implementation hours done for you, hours with me, and you can put a value on that. Okay, so this is a bonus that I have never given before. They are live implementation hours. So if you join the website creation workshop from my link, then you'll get these bonuses. I'm just going to go to my website and see what else I can add as bonuses. And it's good to add bonuses that really supplement and make the offer irresistible. So I'm just going to go to my drop down of courses. And this is the newest course that I'm teaching. It's called WooCommerce Made Easy. And here is the sales page for it that I created in Divi. And let's go to enroll now. I've got it priced normally $497. It is still on sale for $100 off. So I'm going to add this as a bonus. Let's go back to my courses. This is my most popular course and also one of the original courses that I started teaching live. This is Effortless Launch Formula. I'm going to add this as a bonus. Let's go back here. I don't always add all of these bonuses, but in this case, I really believe in the results that Christina Hill's students get, so I'm adding all of my courses as a bonus. So I'm going to copy this and put it in as a bonus right here. What is this priced at? $497. And I have one more bonus to add, and it is Master the Launch. That's all about affiliate marketing and how to do that affordably. So let's add that as bonus. All right, I'm ready to schedule this and exclude people from the emails when I'm sending it out. So let's go to continue. There is a preview right here. You can go to the preview and send a test email. I've already done that, so I'm going to close this. Let's schedule it. I like to send it after the morning purge, so sometime after people first read their emails and delete what they think they don't need. So it's good to send it after. Here we have the preview text. And to exclude, right now this is sending to all subscribers, and let's go to add a filter. We're going to select subscribe to. We're going to go to tags, and I'm going to select one of these, and so we're excluding some of the subscribers. If you don't have anybody in that tag, it will still send to all. So you'll want to make sure you populate the tag first before excluding. And excluding is good if you, for example, are sending an email to people who've already bought what you're talking about. So that's something you may want to do. Let's go to continue. 42 subscribers. Let's schedule the broadcast. And if you enjoyed this email, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the next tech video. And don't forget to register for the training replays of the website creation workshop. This is open right now, so there is an easy pay option. Here is the replay, so if you want the free training, you can watch the replay here, and you can also grab the course. Right now it's only 8 payments of $197, and you'll get all the bonuses I talked about in the video if you use my link. So just email me the receipt if you buy off of my link, and I'll go ahead and hook you up with all those bonuses. Have a great day.